At CES, at the preview over the weekend, Samsung showed the 75-inch version of their MicroLED 4K TV, using their MicroLED panels, which they managed to shrink down now and fit into 75 inches. Now, the display itself, in terms of the stand that it was shown on, is huge, as you can see. And possibly part of the reason is that the production of these panels is pretty hit or miss. There are very fine tolerances in getting the spacing between these sort of panels and the actual micro LEDs themselves. And Digital Trends, and I'm using their footage here, you'll see at the very bottom of the panel in this next shot, actually shows that there was a problem with the panel, so maybe that's why they're keeping everyone back. What do you think? Do you think this is the replacement for OLED? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe.